The 3D High-Speed Dynamic OptiRough toolpath is now available for all mill and router product levels. Previously, Dynamic OptiRough was only available for Mill 3D. The Dynamic OptiRough toolpath machines very large cut depths with a bidirectional cutting strategy to remove the maximum amount of material with the minimum number of step-downs. The Dynamic OptiRough toolpath allows you to create a single toolpath to machine a part instead of creating multiple 2D operations to achieve the same goal. This toolpath is collision aware of the part, and for complex machining, the toolpath can also be aware of your tool holder by using options on the holder page. Access the Dynamic OptiRough toolpath from the 3D gallery in the Mill Toolpaths contextual tab.
For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.